Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your bad internet on your PlayStation 5. So the first thing we want to do is go to settings right here, go to network, and then just look right here to see if you're connected to everything. You can see my wired LAN internet connection and PlayStation network is all good. Sometimes PlayStation network is down, so you can go to view PlayStation network and you can get an understanding if this is the issue or if it is your actual connection at your house. So it looks like PlayStation is not the issue. And just go to test internet connection as well and get a baseline for your connection speed. So that's always good. And you can see that and compare it later when we actually make some changes. So my download speed should be about 530. Okay, it looks good. So let's back out now and then go over to settings and then go to setup internet connection. Now, if you want the best, most reliable connection, you want to plug this in directly to your PlayStation using a wired LAN cable. This is going to pretty much double your speeds if you're using Wi-Fi and you change it to a wired LAN cable. So I highly suggest that, even though you might have to drill a hole through a wall or something like that to get to your PlayStation. And if you go to your wired LAN or your Wi-Fi internet now, and you press options on it, you can go to advanced settings right here and scroll on down to DNS settings, switch it from automatic and go to manual, and type in 8.8.8.8 for the primary. Then go to the secondary and type in 8.8.4.4 and then go to OK. Now, a lot of times this actually helps you reconnect to the servers or whatever you're trying to fix. Then another thing that you could try is press options. And if you go to Wi-Fi frequency bands, you could switch this over to 5 gigahertz or 6 gigahertz only. And if you have that option at your house, this is going to give you a little bit quicker download speeds over 2.4 gigahertz only. So just try that out and you'll see the available ones to connect to when you switch to it. Maybe you are on the wrong frequency. You can jump from 2.4 to 5 gigahertz, and that should be a quicker download speed as well. Then also you could forget your internet connection right here and then just re-add a new one under networks found. Just press triangle, I believe, to scan for new ones. And then you can just simply re-add it. So I'm going to go ahead and just set up a new wired LAN right here and then reconnect back to my PlayStation's internet. So let's go back now and then go on over to software update. So sometimes if you have a software update on your PlayStation, this will also prevent you from logging in. So go to System Software Update, go to the right, and sometimes you might have one pending on here, even though you have download files automatically and install them automatically turned on. So you can go to Update Using Internet and just check if you have something pending in there. Another thing you want to check is go to Users and Accounts, scroll on down to Other, and go to Restore Licenses. Sometimes you might have an issue with some sort of game and it's crashing. Just restore the licenses. So select this, select the games, and then go to restore. Also, you can go to console share and offline play and just set this to enabled. So this will allow you to play offline. So if you don't have an internet connection, you can actually play when that goes down. This will also share your games and PlayStation Plus with every account on your PlayStation. Then one last thing, you could try signing out of your account and signing back in with your email address and password. And sometimes there's a disconnect between what's on your PlayStation and PlayStation servers, and this will sync it back up. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.